Hello everybody, this is Feira from Feira Coins. You're gonna do NGC unbox. Let me know what kind of type of coins you're getting and the condition on it. Outside is you can open right now. Will be available in our eBay store this afternoon. If you wanna shopping for Christmas, it's time to jump in. I'm pretty sure we'll be on toy steps right before Christmas. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoy, and let's see what's going on here. Okay, you have looks like some commemorative coins in here. It's a classic commemorative coins. (1954) Washington cover. (1937) Denver, Oregon Trail. It's a nice high grade coin. Beautiful luster. (1936) Elgin, another high grade coin. Golden light tone, both sides. All those coins in here, they are really low mintage, so it's easy for you to track down the Red Book on commemorative coins page. You're gonna see how low those mintages are. That's the main centennial. Let me flip right here to make it easy. Yep. (1936) Bridgeport. (1936) Long Island. (1924) Hocknut. Came AU details. It's still a beautiful sample. It's not that easy to find those coins in extremely high grade. A lot of times you purchase those coins mixed with another coins, and they touch it, people clean it, but it's really nice looking low mintage commemorative coins. (1922) Grant. Nice stone around the motor. (1946) Hour. And the Morgan Door 1880 San Francisco MS66 is really high grade in here. It's a beautiful coin, almost PL, almost proof like. Such beautiful high grade. Look how beautiful it's in here. And the last but not least, let's see, it's another Morgan. 1886 MS63 proof like. You can see the mirror refraction. Once again, today is December 11th. The site is going to be available this afternoon. If you guys intend to buy for Christmas, it's time to purchase, and we will have more than enough time to arrive in toy steps. Thanks so much guys for watching, for your support. I'll see you next time.